Hi all, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and I'm here for you Taurians to tell you what is in store for you for this whole month of November. Yes, I'm very happy that I'm meeting you all after a month now, almost. So tell me what will happen in October. Comment in my comment section. Did you like my readings? And do you want any more consultation from me one-on-one also? You can get in touch with me through all my numbers or put it in the comment section. Right, so let me see what November has in store for you. All my Taurians. Lovely. Come on. Correct. Wow. So the trailer of this month is relations. The trailer of this month is you learning all about relations. Alright. You're learning all about feelings. You're learning all about love. You're learning all about emotions and friendships. So overall you have to deal with relations this month. This is the trailer that my cards are telling you. Lovely. So what a start. What a start, Taurians. You use a rose quartz. Use a rose quartz so that the pink crystal, it gets you a lot of love, gets you a lot of relations. I know we all are very happy with money. We all are very happy with career. But you want someone to talk to. You want someone to come back to. You want someone to praise you, pamper you. Right? So lovely. Okay, with money, you might feel a little victimized. You would feel that what's really happening with my money? You might have spent a lot, maybe Diwali was just across. You might have spent a lot. So the attitude towards money here has to change, right? And you might feel as if your money is a little stuck. But this is just a perception, okay? You just have to take risks. This is a time to take risks, all right? Just don't be in that loop of your past and just don't deviate yourself with this whole mental entanglement. You take the right decisions, talk to experts. Every time there are experts in every field these days. We are spiritual experts, there are financial experts, there are people who build folios. You talk to them and you will understand how to deal with this money. I don't mean to say that you're going to become poor or you will not have money. I just mean to say that you will feel a little victimized about where did my money go. Okay, there was X amount in my bank account and now I can't see that. So you have to deal with money only for November. Only for November. See, I told you to use a rose quartz. You could also use a citrine for money. See, this is a citrine. This is a pyramid though, but this is a yellow citrine. You can always use citrine for money. So whenever I tell you in the coming month this is going to happen, use my tips also. Alright. And you can also affirm I'm secure in my financial perspective. So you can affirm I am secure in my financial perspective and you'll be pretty secure. There's a very nice divine code which you can write on your left wrist. Okay, a divine code which you can write on your left wrist. By heart it like a mobile number. It is 1996211147. 1996211147 is the divine code for money. Start writing it right now whenever you see this video so that your money thing is just altered somewhere else, dodged. Okay, career is good. You might get new insights about career. You might also think of a new opportunity, but it will be just in your thinking process, like a budding process. You might not shift right now, right here. There is no shift in this month. You might shift next month, but you will now start getting new insights about your career, new ideas about your career. You might also think of shifting and you might start, but I always say, always have a backup. Wherever you shift, you should always have a backup. In certain cards, I just tell them to take the risk. Here I'm telling you, have a backup and then leave if you really want to leave. But think of new insights, all right? Then we get to relations. I just did a video for Aries, and there I found that they'll be surrounded by a lot of children. Here for Taurians, I feel that here you'll be surrounded by a lot of buzurg log, a lot of elderly people somehow. And some elder will require your assistance, some elder will require your attention. For this whole month, I see that. It's okay to take care of your neighbor, of your grandpa, of your boss, mama, daddy, whoever. The elderly ones, they will really require you. So maybe you'll spend some money on their health, but be assured that your health is fine. Be rest assured. And but maybe someone else needs that health assistance. That is also, maybe that's why I see your money condition a little compromised. Yeah, that is, yes, pretty good. But relations are overall very nice, and anyway, this is the time that you'll be learning a lot about how to deal with relations. So maybe here you'll get a lot of blessings, you'll get you will be pampering someone else, taking care of someone else, and you will take that experience. Not every experience is about career and money. Sometimes this is also needed. Yes, totally. Again, there is a warning signal here that you might receive a little bad news relating to some elderly person. And it's okay, and this is how you have to deal with. Again, I say, every experience is a learning experience. All right, some people will fall ill, some people will be depressed, some people will be weird to you. Sometimes you have to go through money issues, career issues, whatever. But this time, again, I told you, it will be more about love. It will be more about handling your emotions and handling your heart. So now your heart chakra becomes very important. Please use a rose quartz. It could be a bracelet, or it could be also a pendant, or you could take a tumble and put it in water and drink that crystalline water. So you will require a lot of heart chakra energy. All right. You can also affirm my heart chakra as balanced. You could start affirming that, or even just put your hand on your chest cavity and imagine color green getting inside the chest cavity for 10 months. This is a very nice meditation. See, I've given you so many tips in just one video. Lovely. And yes, you have to be very cautious about whom you trust. So there is one warning signal here, that you should be very cautious about whom you trust. All right, you will be busy this time, maybe taking care of someone, maybe into some relation or whatever. You will have to understand whom to trust. You will have to understand intentions of other people. Again, this also I'm talking in the perspective of learning about relations. It's very easy for me to say that someone will backstab you. See, someone will cheat, someone will betray. But unless your subconscious or conscious mind allows someone to cheat, you can never be cheated. Any energy which exists, which could be a negative energy or a positive energy, any energy in this world cannot run unless you accept the button. वो accept button होता है ना सॉफ्टवेयर में, I accept. Unless your subconscious or conscious mind accepts it. So it's all about love for you, Taurians. And Taurians are anyway very romantic. All about love. Take care of elderly people. Get their blessings. You're going to get the fruits of their blessings the next month. And this reading is just for the November month. And for money, you could use a citrine, I already told you. And rose quartz is what you have to use. And kuch nahi, all is well. Heart pe, haath rakhiye bolo, all is well. I hope you liked my video. You please share this video with people who will be really motivated after this. So see you in the next video, Taurians. Bye-bye.